सुप्रभातं छात्राः, स्वागतं शुभस्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः। अष्टमकक्षायाः सप्तमः पाठः अस्ति भारतजनताहम्। भवन्तः जानन्ति एव, प्रस्तुत एषा कविता डॉक्टर रमाकान्त शुक्ला महोदयेन रचिता अस्ति। एतस्य काव्यस्य नाम भारतजनताहम् इति। काव्यात् उद्धृता इयं कविता वर्तते। अत्र विविधकौशलानां रुचीनां भारतीयतायाः प्रतीकात्मकं काव्यं वर्तते इदम्। अत्र अस्माभिः प्रथमदिने श्लोकद्वयम् अनुच्छेदद्वयं, द्वितीयदिने अनुच्छेदद्वयं पठितम् अस्ति। तत् अग्रे अद्य पठामः। My dear students, welcome to online classes. We are studying 7th lesson in the class 8. The name of the lesson is Bharata Janataham. This poem is written by Dr. Ramakant Shukla and it is selected and collected from Bharata Janataham is the name of the poem. And here he explains about the great qualities of the Indian citizens. That's what we are studying. In the day one we have studied 2 paragraphs. In the second class we have studied 2 more paragraphs. That means totally we have covered 4 paragraphs. From there we are going to start in the today's class. Before we start the class, let me read as a model reading the complete poem. Then we will start from the 5th stanza. सप्तमः पाठः भारतजनताहम्। अभिमानधना विनयोपेता शालीना भारतजनताहम्। कुलिशादपि कठिना कुसुमादपि सुकुमारा भारतजनताहम्। निवसामि समस्ते संसारे मन्ये च कुटुम्बं वसुन्धरां। प्रेयः श्रेयः च चिनोम्युभयं सुविवेका भारतजनताहम्। विज्ञानधनाहं ज्ञानधना साहित्यकला संगीतपरा। अध्यात्मसुधा तटिनी स्नानैः परिपूता भारतजनताहम्। परिपूता भारतजनताहम्। मम गीतैर्मुग्धं समं जगत्, मम नृत्यैर्मुग्धं समं जगत्, मम काव्यैर्मुग्धं समं जगत्, रसभरिता भारतजनताहम्। उत्सवप्रियाहं श्रमप्रिया पदयात्रा देशाटनप्रिया। लोकक्रीडासक्ता वर्धे अतिथिदेवा भारतजनताहम्। मैत्री में सहजा प्रकृतिरस्ति, नो दुर्बलतायाः पर्यायः। मित्रस्य चक्षुषा संसारं पश्यन्ति भारतजनताहम्। विश्वस्मिन् जगति गताहमस्मि, विश्वस्मिन् जगति सदा दृश्ये। विश्वस्मिन् जगति करोमि कर्म, कर्मण्या भारतजनताहम्। कर्मण्या भारतजनताहम्। एवं कविता वर्तते। अभिमानधना विनयोपेता शालीना भारतजनताहम्। कुलिशादपि कठिना कुसुमादपि सुकुमारा भारतजनताहम्। निवसामि समस्ते संसारे मन्ये च कुटुम्बं वसुन्धरां। प्रेयः श्रेयः च चिनोम्युभयं सुविवेका भारतजनताहम्। विज्ञानधनाहं ज्ञानधना साहित्यकला संगीतपरा। अध्यात्मसुधा तटिनी स्नानै परिपूता भारतजनताहम्। मम गीतैर्मुग्धं समं जगत्, मम नृत्यैर्मुग्धं समं जगत्, मम काव्यैर्मुग्धं समं जगत्, रसभरिता भारतजनताहम्. Until here, 4th stanza we have studied. Today we are going to start the 5th stanza. 5th stanza, it is here we are going to study. उत्सवप्रियाहम् Bharata Janata. I am the citizen. What I like? I like the festivals. Utsavaha. Deepavali Utsavaha. Dashahara Utsavaha. Utsava Priya. Utsavam Priyam Yasyai Sa Utsava Priya. So festivals are very much liked by whom? He. That means people of India, they always like and celebrate the festivals. And Shramapriya. Indians also like to work hard. Shramapriya. Shramaha nama Parishramaha. Padayatra Deshatana Priya. People in India want to roam around the world on foot. People in the foreign wants to fly. But Indian people want to go. If you are in Bijapur, you will understand. Pandharpur is there nearby. You can see the people going on foot. So that means पाद यात्रा जाते हैं चार धाम की यात्रा करते हैं. How do the people go? On foot. Padayatra. Very famous thing we should know is, we should remember when Padayatra is there, Jagadguru Shankaracharya. All of you know that Jagadguru Shankaracharya lived only 32 years only. But when you look into his history, forget about his complete contribution. Just look into the way he has traveled. He was born in Kerala, Kalati, and he has gone around India from Kerala to Kashi, Kashi to Kashmir, Kashmir to Kedar, Kedar to Puri. Then again he has come back to Kerala. What is the round it takes? You are having the Google with you. You can search in the map how much it takes. Minimum 5,000 to 6,000 kilometers. 6,000 kilometers we don't dare even to go in our vehicle. If you go if you have the own vehicle, if you have your own car, you will dare to go at least 700 kilometers or 1,000 kilometers. But above 1,000 kilometers means we always see for train or the flight. Shankaracharya, more than 6,000 kilometers he went on foot. That means Indians, they want to go on foot. Padayatra. They always want to walk. Deshatana Priya. They want to roam around the country. Deshatana Priya Bharata Janata. Padayatra Priya Bharata Janata. Loka Krida Sakta. Lokaha means folk. Krida games. Asakta folk games. People are very much interested in the folk games. Nowadays modern games have come. Table tennis, lawn tennis. Is it? And recently our Ajit, that is Aditi, in the Olympics she stood in the 4th place. That is which sport she stood for?
Golf, sir.
Golf. Golf. Yes.
Golf, sir.
Golf. These are all the modern games. But when you take Loka Krida, Kabaddi. Kabaddi is a Loka Krida. Local games. Loka Krida Sakta. All our people are very much interested. If you take the tales, you will find how the people were very much interested. Then Vardhe Atiti Deva. We always Atiti, guests. We look at the guest as our gods. Atiti Devo Bhava. Is it? We are known for the hospitality. We always welcome our guests. Bharata Janataham. I am the Indian who always have interest in the games, at the same time We are very much known for the hospitality which we gives for the guests. Maitri me sahaja prakriti rasti. Friendship is there in our nature. Maitri, mitrata. Me nama mama. Mama, Maitri Sahaja, it is very natural. Prakruti Rasti, it is in our nature. Making friendship is in our nature. No durbalataya paryayaha. There is no weakness. There is no synonym of weakness. Everywhere we are encouraged to be strong. Nobody encourages you to be weak. So you are born here, you are born to be strong. What Swami Vivekananda tells? Swami Vivekananda tells, be strong. Then only the world will recognize you. If you are weak, nobody looks you. That's why always be strong. Durbalataya paryaya. Many of you get this confusion in the exam and always ask me, Paryayaha, what is meaning of Paryayaha? Paryayaha nama samanarthakaha. Samana, equal in the meaning, synonym. There is no synonym for the weakness for us because all the Indians are very strong. Never believe. If somebody tells you that you are weak, don't accept that. To being in a Saini school, you should never accept that you are weak because you are here with the reason, you are here trying to be strong. That's why all of you are the strength of the nation. Mitrasya chakshusha samsaram. There are two meanings here you have to note down. Mitram has got two meanings. Mitra means friend, as all of you know. One more meaning is there, Mitram nama Surya. Mitram, if it is in Napumsakalinga, it means friend. Mitraha, if it is in Pullinga, the meaning of Mitra is Surya. Mitrasya chakshusha samsaram pashyanti bharata janataham. Now you can have two meanings here. How? With the eyes of the friend, I can look into the samsaraha means world. I can look into the world with the eyes of my friend. At the same time, with the eyes of the sun, I can look into the world. When sun rises, then only you can look into the world. So that's what. When sun is not rising, everything looks dark. When sun rises, he gives colors to the world. So you can see the world colorful when sun rises. Atra mitram namakim. Mitram nama. Shall we look into the word meaning what is given here? Let us see in this lesson what is the given. Shabdarthan pashyamaha. Atra श्रेयः रसभरिता आसक्ता मित्रता में प्रकृतिरस्ति कर्मण्या. So the word is not given. So I have told you the different meaning for Preya and Shreya, which is more meaningful than here given. Whereas that sentence is very famous in the Kathopanishad. Kathopanishad, it is told Shreya and Preya. Mitrasya chakshusha samsaram pashyanti bharata janataham. So as we know, there is a friendship in our nature. Naturally, we make the friendship. So we will take it as a friend. With the eyes of the friend, I can see the world. That means we believe in the friends. We trust in friends so much that with the friendship we will see. As English saying goes that tell me about your friends, I will tell about you. Tell me about your friends, I will tell about you. That means if you tell about your friends, automatically your attitude, your nature can be explained. Mruga mrugai sangam anuvrajanti गावश्च गोभिः तुरगाः तुरंगैः. You know, मूर्खाश्च मूर्खैः सुधियः सुधीभिः समानशील व्यसनेषु सख्यम्. The Subhashita tells that cows move, cows graze along with the cows, horse run with the horses. Like that, foolish people will move always with the fools only. Good people will move with the good people, because birds of the same feather move together. The saying goes, birds of the same feather move together. Like that, people of the same taste will be together. If you love the football, you will make a friend who loves the football. Like that, you will come to know. Like that, mitrasya chakshusha samsaram pashyanti bharata janataham. I am the Indian citizen who can see the world with the eyes of the friend. Vishwasmin jagati gatahamasmi. In this world, everywhere I have been there, I have gone everywhere. Vishwasmin jagati sadadrushye. If you see in the world, Indians always stand separately. You can see the Indian separately everywhere in the world. Vishwasmin jagati karomi karma. Karma, work. Indians work everywhere in the world. Karmanya bharata janataham. You are what you do. Karmanya, with my profession, with my work, I am identified. Is it not? You always get identification because of the way you do the work. Indians are recognized for their workmanship. That is very, very important. Once again, I hope you understood. Today we have learnt 5th, 6th and 7th stanzas. Once again I will read. Utsava priyaham shrama priya padayatra deshatana priya loka krida sakta vardhe atiti deva bharata janataham. Vardhe, you must know. Vruddha dhatuhu वर्धते वर्धेते वर्धन्ते वर्धसे वर्धेथे वर्धध्वे वर्धे वर्धावहे वर्धामहे. This is also atmanepadi dhatu. In the previous class also I told you atmanepadi dhatu. This is quite different. Vardhate means grow. Chhatraha vardhate, student grows. Chhatrau vardhete, छात्राः वर्धन्ते. त्वं वर्धसे, युवां वर्धेथे, यूयं वर्धध्वे, अहं वर्धे. अहं भारत जनता इति अस्ति खल, that's why it is told वर्धे. अहं वर्धे, आवां वर्धावहे, वयं वर्धामहे. This is the different dhatu. Please note down this, it will help you. अतिथि देवा भारत जनता. मैत्री में सहजा प्रकृतिरस्ति, नो दुर्बलता यः पर्यायः. मित्रस्य चक्षुषा संसारं पश्यन्ति भारत जनताहम्. विश्वस्मिन् जगति गताहमस्मि, विश्वस्मिन् जगति सदा दृश्ये, विश्वस्मिन् जगति करोमि कर्म, कर्मण्या भारत जनताहम्, कर्मण्या भारत janataham. So this lesson is also available in YouTube link. After this class I will be uploading the link in the YouTube also. In between, if there is a network issue, you can have flow of this lesson in the YouTube video. अस्तु, इदानीं वयं पाठस्य व्याकरणांशान् पश्यामः।